how much should you actually spend on a slushie machine? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, AOAO Bossy Slushie Machine. The AOAO Bossy Slushie Machine, priced at $169.99. What caught my attention is its ability to whip up frozen treats in just 15 minutes without needing pre-frozen ice. If you want fast, delicious slushies at home, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This machine can make a wide variety of drinks, from classic margaritas to healthy juice slushies. The 68-ounce capacity means you can prepare 2 to 10 cups at once, which is perfect for family gatherings. Plus, it features 6 preset programs and a real-time temperature display, so you can customize the thickness of your slush. Now, some people complained about the machine being a bit bulky at 27.3 pounds and taking up counter space. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for convenience and you host parties often, that weight means durability and a larger capacity. So it might be a deal breaker for those with limited kitchen space, but if you want smooth, refreshing drinks in a flash, this is a solid pick. This is perfect for you if you're a busy parent or someone who loves entertaining. Skip this one if you have a tiny kitchen or only plan to use it once in a while. With this price point, you're getting functionality that can easily replace frequent trips to the store for slushies. Now, if the AOAO Bossy size bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a more compact design. Product number 2, Ninja Slushie Max XXL, which is quite the powerhouse. This one is a bit of an investment, but it's built for serious slush lovers, offering a capacity of 150 ounces. If hosting parties is your thing, this might be just what you need. What makes this slushie maker stand out is its Slush Assist technology, which senses ingredients and automatically adjusts the temperature for perfect results every time. It also boasts 6 programs and 15 temperature settings, which means you can fine-tune your slush to your liking. And with the capacity to keep drinks at ideal temperatures for up to 12 hours, you won't have to worry about your slush melting too quickly. Now, some users pointed out that the price might feel a bit steep for casual use. But here's the thing, if you're someone who regularly hosts gatherings or just loves slushies, this machine's efficiency and smart features could make it well worth the investment. If you only plan to make slushies occasionally, then it might not be the best fit for you. This is perfect for party hosts and slushie enthusiasts. Skip this if you just want something for a one-time summer get-together. Considering its size and technology, the quality you get is definitely aligned with its price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something more compact but still efficient.
Product number 3, Ninja Slushie with Rapid Chill Technology. We have the Ninja Slushie with Rapid Chill Technology, priced at $279. This machine is slightly smaller with a 96-ounce capacity, making it a great middle ground option for those who want quality without overwhelming their kitchen. The Rapid Chill technology is pretty cool. It spins an auger around a cooling cylinder to freeze liquid evenly, meaning you can whip up perfectly smooth slushies without using ice. It also features 5 preset programs and temperature controls, which let you customize the thickness of your drinks. It can create slush in about 15–60 minutes, depending on your ingredients. Some users mentioned that they found the sugar requirement for sugar-free recipes a bit tricky, but honestly, if you follow the guidelines, you can create delicious alternatives without hassle. If you're not keen on experimenting with recipes, this might be a minor annoyance. This is perfect for families who want to enjoy a variety of frozen drinks at home. Skip this one if you're looking for a simple, no-fuss device that only makes slush. With its advanced features, this machine is a good investment for slush lovers. Now, if you prefer something more budget-friendly, the next product is a fantastic option that won't break the bank. Product number 4, Dash Slushie Machine. The Dash Slushie Machine, and at $99.99, it's a great entry-level option for those who want to start making slushies at home. This compact machine can create up to 32 ounces of slushies, making it perfect for small gatherings or individual servings. It operates with one-touch controls and can whip up drinks in just 25 minutes. The drip-free design makes it easy to use and clean, which is a huge plus when you're dealing with sticky slush. Plus, it's lightweight at only 5.07 pounds, so you can easily store it away when you're not using it. However, some users found it a bit limited in terms of drink variety compared to larger machines. But here's the thing, if you're just looking for a casual way to enjoy slushies without the fuss, this machine delivers on simplicity and ease of use. it's a great fit for smaller homes or apartments. This is perfect for casual drinkers and families looking to have fun without a big commitment. Skip this if you're planning to host larger parties and need something with a hefty capacity. For the price, it's a great way to add some fun to your kitchen. Now, let's move on to our final pick, which is not just affordable, but incredibly retro and charming. Product number 5, Nostalgia Frozen Drink Maker. We have the Nostalgia Frozen Drink Maker, priced at just $49.99. This slushie maker has a cute retro design that caught my eye right away, and it holds up to 32 ounces, perfect for small gatherings. It operates using crushed ice and salt, which might sound a bit old school, but it does produce consistently smooth slushies. The easy flow spout ensures you get every drop without a mess. Plus, the 3-way switch makes operations super simple. Just freeze, dispense, and enjoy. However, some users mention that it can be a bit finicky with the ice and salt process, which might not be for everyone. But honestly, if you're down for a bit of a retro experience and want to keep things simple, this could be a fun addition to your kitchen. This is perfect for anyone looking for a budget-friendly option with a nostalgic flair. Skip this if you prefer a modern machine with advanced features. For the price, it's a charming way to enjoy slushies without spending much. That wraps up our list of the top 5 slushie machines. Each one brings something different to the table, whether it's capacity, technology, or price. So think about what fits your needs best. So, whether you're going for the advanced features of the Ninja Slushie Max XXL, the compact efficiency of the Ninja Slushie with rapid chill technology, or the charming simplicity of the Nostalgia Frozen Drink Maker, there's a slushie machine out there for everyone. Find the one that fits your lifestyle and get ready for a summer full of refreshing frozen drinks.